to block seller on Facebook Marketplace. Open the Facebook. Tap on the Marketplace icon that you can see at bottom. If you do not have Marketplace icon over here, tap on the three lines. Now tap on the option Marketplace. Now you can access Facebook Marketplace. Find the item of the seller you want to block. Tap on it. You can see the details regarding the item. Scroll down. Find the section for seller. Tap on it. Now you can see the seller profile over here. Tap on the three dots. Tap on the option block. Now tap on the option block that you can see on the screen. Confirm the blocking by tapping on the option block again. Now the seller will be blocked and you will not be able to see their listings again. Like this, you'll be able to block seller on Facebook Marketplace. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.